It's John Champion here at the microphone, and alongside me we have a top football analyst in Jim Beglin.
Hi John, hi everyone. I'm really looking forward to this match. I'm all for spreading the play and stretching the opposition, but it has to be done with more composure and certainly more precision.
And he belts it. From distance, it lacked accuracy.
Look, it's not all about shooting from range. They found it quite difficult to do that. They've got to get some composure in their play. Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
Ball stolen. That's clearly not what was intended. Hits it long. Going for goal. What a reprieve that was.
Yeah, they can count themselves very lucky that that didn't end up in the back of the net. What were they doing giving the ball away like that?
Looking to carve open the defence. A corner then. Here's a chance. Nice bout of passing. That's halted the danger. Another corner. Now the chance. Hits it. They get a throw in a good area, looking for some support now. Now he's ready for a shot. Just straight offside then, free kick to the opposition.
He's just drifted beyond the last defender.
Tries to slide it past the defence. He's got in. And the danger cleared away. Chance for a counter then. He's onside here. The pass cut out, booted to safety. Got it. Spectacular overhead effort. Just wasn't able to keep it down.
Well, he was right in front of goal and he probably should have scored, to be fair.
Wants to get this forward. It's on for him. It's a big opportunity with a corner. Possibility here, and it's taken with some style. And it's Manchester United who go in front. As sweet as you like.
Well, when you can turn and finish that well, having your back to goal is not even an issue. What a beautiful manoeuvre.
So we start again at 1-0.
Oh look, it's lovely having a player with such ability in your side. He's always capable of coming up with something important, and he's done it again.
And we've had 30 minutes of this first period. He's looking to play it into the channel. It's on for him. It's through. The defence will have to be on its toes with this throw. A throw in a good position again. A ball in. They're not quite out of danger yet.
Well, it's a sharper cutting edge they need in front of goal.
Great chance for the counter. No, it's been picked off. Plays this forward. Looking to thread it through. Picked off the ball. Tried to play it through. And the offside flag is up. And these players from both sides still battling for the right to play their football. Lead is narrow. Probably deserved. They seek an equaliser prior to half-time. He's got in, plays this forward. He plays it through. It's come through to him nicely. And they escape imminent danger. Could be a chance now. Drives it in. He shoots again. Well cleared. The referee blows his whistle to draw the first half to a close.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They work tirelessly for me.
Just the one goal separates them then. It's 1-0. It's come through to him, and he'll get the shot away here, and again! And he makes absolutely no mistake. It's a comfortable lead now, 2 goals. He was allowed far too much space.
Well, he knows that he doesn't have to drift into wider areas too much, and if he doesn't, his chances of a goal increase. Just seen the proof.
So it's now 2 without reply.
Well, at 1-0 this game was very much in the balance, but at 2-0 they ought to be able to defend this lead from here.
A timely intervention. Wants to get this forward. Slides it through. Booted to safety. And a cross, and the cross met firmly. No, that won't be finding its target. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? It's on for him. He plays the ball out wide. Oh, took him out. Free kick given. Poor ball that's intercepted. Tries to slide it past the defence. Tries a header. A fine stop by the keeper.
And that wasn't exactly a routine save. He still had an awful lot to do to keep that out. Superb.
He sends it in. Up for the header. No, not quite.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there.
Picked it off. This could be interesting. He hits it. Quick as a flash. Oh, yet another goal. They have a 3-goal advantage, and that should be enough. The keeper just didn't deal with it, and his team has paid the price.
Well, listen, last line of defence and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
We resume again. The score is 3-0. Well struck. Not on this occasion.
I think he's done very well to get into such a good position in front of goal, but he just couldn't put in the telling touch.
No, it was cut out. Got it. He's found space, shoots here, another one. They're clearly in no mood just to sit on their lead. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
And it looked as if he had no room to try and engineer a chance there, and yet his strength and desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
They have this game in their hands now. No, possession lost. We're almost in the final quarter of an hour. Wants to get this forward. No, it's been cut out. Got it. A fine display of slick passing. Cuts it out. Oh, he plays it long. That must have angered his teammates. Plays this forward. It's a good hit. He's got in. "85 minutes on the watch now. And he's on the move. He's latched onto it. And he'll shoot! Big opportunity this from the corner. Tries one, and a goal! They're well clear now, it's just a question of how many more. Great goal that, great team goal in fact.
Yeah, this is a lovely brand of football we're watching. They're playing with flair and enterprise, and there's a real cutting edge to their attack.
He'll be taking the match ball home.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Forward it goes. Good run down the side. Now, what next? He's looking to play it into the channel. Chance for a shot! There it is! They really are turning the screw now. It is scintillating to watch.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
And that will put him pretty high in the goal-scoring charts. So that's it, the final whistle. Plenty of positives to take away from this game, I think, especially from the performance of the strikers. We saw some finishing of the very highest order.